Here's our Kestrel, sitting on his favorite light pole, hunting. Open field right there. He's looking over there. That's for the grasshoppers and the voles and everything else. American Kestrel out here looking for that breakfast this morning. We come by here as part of our bird run. We get out and about every morning, and lucky to find this one. Just kind of sitting there hunting a little bit. Made a couple passes off the pole already, and we're waiting to see if he goes after a grasshopper or a vole or whatever it can chase. So let's see if we can locate the mate. We'll get ready to fly maybe. Let's see, made a little flinch there. Been hunting that field, and off we go. Trying to catch a vole or a grasshopper. All right.